Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create an auto-playing video reel slider on your WordPress website. This modern Elementor widget lets you display videos in a beautiful reel style slider. As visitors scroll through the page, videos automatically play, creating an engaging and interactive experience similar to popular social media platforms. I'll walk you through the complete setup process, including installation, widget settings, customization options, and live preview. No coding is required, and you can have everything up and running in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open the GitHub link from the video description, download the plugin zip file. Next, go to your WordPress dashboard. Open Plugins, then click Add New Plugin and Upload Plugin. Select the zip file. Click Install Now. Once the installation is complete, click Activate Plugin. That's it. Now let us build the slider. Open any page with Elementor. Search for Aurora Reel Slider and drag it into your section. Inside the videos list, each item is one slide. For each slide, you can choose video source. You can select upload if your file is in media library, or select URL if your video is hosted somewhere else, then add title and subtitle for the slide text. You also have Enable Audio icon for each slide. By default, it is off. If you turn it on, the sound icon appears only on the active slide. Videos still start muted by default. When the viewer clicks the icon, sound turns on for that active video. You can add as many videos as you want. There is no limit. Simply keep adding new items, upload your videos, and arrange them in any order you like. Now, open slider settings. Autoplay slides lets the slider move automatically. Autoplay delay controls how long each slide waits. Transition speed controls the animation speed between slides. Before we explore the remaining style settings, let's save our changes and preview the slider on the live page to see how it looks. As we enabled audio for this slide earlier, a sound icon is now displayed. When the slide plays, the audio will play automatically as well. Now let's look at the style settings. You can adjust the slider height, card size, spacing, border radius, border, and shadow. Active card lift lets you raise the active slide, while inactive brightness controls how dark the other slides appear. For overlays, you can customize the active and inactive gradient colors, opacity, and gradient direction. In the text section, you can control the alignment, position, and width of the content area. You can also fully customize the title and subtitle with color, typography, and text shadow settings. And that's it for today's tutorial. The Aurora Reel Slider is a great choice for video portfolios, sports highlights, event showcases, product presentations, and modern landing pages. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more WordPress and Elementor tutorials. You can download the plugin using the link in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.